Hmm. An energy of someone na pabigla-bigla. Hmm. Kasi ang energy nito na nakukuha ko rito more likely is yung medyo mataas yung energy niya. Parang yung energy na excited pero hindi yung tuwang-tuwa or whatever ha. Pero yung energy ng sigurado. Kaya siguro maaring gumawa ito ng isang bagay na pabigla-bigla. Yan. Or biglaan. Yeah. Whoever this individual is, no, nakapag-isip siya rito, mga babes, no, ng mga parang mga ways, no, kung paano niya ito maisasagawa at mukhang ito siya, no, na pinakita sa atin dito, no, na gumawa na siya ng action. So, ganito yun, no, parang yung energy kasi is possible na meron siya ritong bagay na gustong gawin at posibleng dahil gusto niya yung gawin, possible na from that emotion na gusto niya yung gawin, dun ang galing yung pabigla-biglang action. You know? So, alam ko hindi ganun kalinaw. Pero it looks like this is your energy. Three of Wands energy. It looks like this is something here na posibleng mangyayari pa lang for most of you guys. That's what it looks like from here. But since this is timeless, no? This Three of Wands right here is also an indication that this is something here na possible na hindi mo nakikita and it will approach you from the back. Yan. So, parang kakalabitin ka na lang nito, ganyan, no? Yan nakukuha ko rito. But it is also an indication right here that someone could be coming from a malayong location. Could be tawid dagat thing. Or could be, malayo. Oh, judgment energy to the tower right here. Looks like meron ditong nakakagulat, no, na desisyon. Isang desisyon na maaring makaramdam ka rito, no, ng hindi ka ganun ka-komportable sa kung anumang desisyon na yun. At so nakikita ko rito, no, parang meron ditong naglilinger na outside energy for some reason. Someone here did some kind of a decision. At mukhang yung desisyon na yon, no, is parang hindi mo alam. Because with the Tower card energy, this is something here. No? Magugulat ka na lang, no? Like parang nakita ko rito yung mata mo na pwedeng manlaki yung eyeballs mo, no? Yung pupil mo sa mata. Pwedeng mapatigil ka sa ginagawa mo, no? Kung ano mang ginagawa mo. Ganong klaseng gulat, no? Yung parang gusto mong magsabi ng salitang, ano? Ha? Pero, hindi mo yun masasabi using your lips or your mouth. So, let me keep moving, no? Kasi this is something here na posibleng hindi mo nalalaman at hindi mo mapaghahandaan pero yung gulat mo is too much from here. Someone made the decision and it looks like hindi mo yun alam. Yan. So, yeah, see this individual right here is really coming towards you, no, very quickly, no, with the Eight of Wands energy. And let me get more, no, para kahit papaano maging aware kayo since you know na timeless ito, pwedeng ito ay sa iba, no, nangyari na, no, so parang wala na talaga kayo ritong choice. Sa iba naman posibleng nangyayari ngayon sa kasalukuyan, so parang kayo to na you're already problematic over this situation, and sa iba naman posibleng hindi pa, pero may chance pa kayong mapaghandaan. So, let's get into your reading more. Oh, I see. For some reason, no, from these images over here, I'm particularly getting here, no, yung attention ko, nagigetching ng house. So, I'm seeing two houses right here. So, this could be an indication right here that this could be someone here na pwedeng malapit sa'yo, or let us say, hindi na iba sa'yo. Yung iba naman, possibly na may bloodline na dumadaloy dito, could be someone here na relative, or could be someone here like a family to you, no? So, yun nakikita ko dito. But for some reason, it's the structure as well. It could be somewhat here related to a house. Maybe this is a house right here, so let me get more. Yeah, see, look at that. The center of the reading is your main energy, and this will be your main energy. You will be at a crossroads right here because someone here made a decision already, and I think without even consulting you, parang nalaman mo na lang nakapag-desisyon na siya. Let us see what's really happening right here. Oh, you're showing me a dual personality, but this is not something here that's negative. I'm seeing that this is just a normal reaction of a human being stuck into this type of situation na parang walang magawa, no choice, wanting to speak out, but there is some kind of a blockage. Ganun. Mamaya I'm gonna explain it to you. Wow. So yeah, these are the blockages. World card energy, Five of Swords energy. I'm seeing multiple energies of people surrounding you guys, no? So mamaya explain ko sa inyo what is that. But before anything else, no? Batiin ko muna ang lahat ng hi and hello there, no? Sa collective people ko dyan, no? Ano man ang zodiac sign mo, welcome ka rito since this is collective reading. And hi sa mga new subscribers, ako po si Yan. Welcome! At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. So yun nga, wala tayo ditong gender. Alam nyo naman yan. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung roles kung gusto ninyo since this is general reading nga. And syempre at the end of the day, palagi po kayong may free will na malaya nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, timeless ito. Pwedeng tapos na, nangyari na sa iba. Yung iba naman ay nangyayari ngayon sa inyong present moment or sa kasalukuyan. At sa iba naman ay hindi pa, na lucky kayo kung hindi pa to nangyayari. No? So, nakikita ko kayo rito, no, na printing, relax na relax lang with the Judgment card energy tower right here, no? Okay? Nakikita ko kayo rito na relax lang kayo, no? Kung ano man ginagawa nyo sa time na to, no? Either nagkakape kayo, kumakain kayo, habang nanonood ng paborito ninyong palabas, no? Sa TV man yan, sa inyong mobile phones, no? Or sa laptop ninyo, sa inyong computer, desktops, no? Whatever. Yung relax ka lang, yung you're having your me time, kung tawagin, no? Or sabihin natin, no, baka nag enjoy kayo while reading your favorite book. Okay? Nag-e-enjoy kayo while drinking your favorite drinks or tea, coffee, whatever, milk tea, etc. No? Or you're just chatting your friend, no? You're talking about someone and then you're just happy. You're sharing your story with a friend, mga ganyan, no? Or happy kayo, like relax lang kayo, no? Like chill na chill lang kayo, no? Up until someone here. Yan, eto na. No? Eto na yung nakakagulat, no? Mapapatigil ka talaga dun sa ginagawa mo at nakita kong nag-shift or mag-shift yung mood mo. From happy, bigla ka ritong parang hindi naman angry or wala naman tayong na-sense na anger, pero more likely, na-shock ka lang, no? But this is you, nakita ko rito yung parang magaling ka rin mag-manage ng emotions mo. Parang ikaw ito na parang hindi ka kagad-agad nagagalit. Kung may sitwasyon man na parang magagalit ka, parang hindi ka muna nagsasalita, pero nararamdaman mo na yung galit. Ganong klase ng energy. It's like this is you, meron ka ritong klase ng energy kung saan parang you're not showing right away yung emotions mo, no, in front of someone or somebody, no, or with just anyone. Yan, no. So, maaaring ang ipakita mo rito, no, ay maaaring poker face, pero legit yung gulat mo dito with the Tower card energy. Someone here will approach you quickly. And just like what I've told you guys, whoever this individual is, this individual took an action or will take an action right here na hindi niya kinonsulta sa'yo. Gumawa siya rito ng desisyon na maaaring ikagulat mo because you will be at the crossroads right here and you do not know na malaki pala yung involvement mo dito sa ginawa niyang desisyon. And whoever this individual is, this is not something here that you're dealing in a romantic way, but this looks like someone here who is like a family to you. Could be your kamag-anak or relative, or could be someone here, no, na pwedeng hindi iba sa'yo. Yan. Pero bakit nga ba nakakagulat ito, Miss Yan? Because whoever this energy is, it looks like meron siya ditong parang desisyon na ginawa na hindi ka muna niya kinausap. Parang nakapagdesisyon na siya. In short, parang maaring tawagin mo siyang paladesisyon. So, saka na lang niya sasabihin sa'yo, no? Kapag ka nagkita na kayo or nag-usap na kayo. Okay? Because it is a communication, Ace of Swords energy. And for some reason, no, while I'm talking, I'm really being drawn with the image of a house, a structure of a house. So it looks like, okay, let me give this example here. No? So, whether you're living with your parents or with your siblings or whether you're living alone, whatever, okay, it looks like this individual right here decides something related to your home. And it's something here na posibleng ikagulat mo because parang with this Queen of Pentacles energy right here, no, parang it has something to do with something na posibleng matatagalan or maaring hindi mo alam kung kailan. But I'm getting that word stay. So, maaring magstay siya or matagalan yung pagstay niya, hindi mo alam, no? Kasi may energy ka rin dito na may nahihiya kang energy, no? Na kumprontahin itong person nito kasi hindi naman siya iba sa'yo. This person here could be someone who could be like a family to you. Or maybe this person here could be asking here for some kind of too much already for you. Maybe this person here could be asking you a favor like, pwede ba ako magstay sa house mo? Pero hindi niya rin alam kung hanggang kailan. Hindi niya rin alam kung hanggang kailan. Pero it sounds like matatagalan with the word stay. Yan. So this is you. Hindi naman iba yung individual na yun because that person could be like a family to you. Nakita ko rito, you have that concern and care for that individual. However, this is something here na parang hindi ka ganun ka-komportable. Why? Because this is you. Yan na. Yung iba sa inyo siguro iniisip ninyo gastos. Maaaring madagdagan yung gastos ninyo kasi may magsistay sa food, electricity, utility expenses, the water consumption, and everything. But more likely, hindi naman talaga yun yung pinakatinutumbok nito kasi parang hindi naman ganun talaga kalakas 'no, gumamit ng utilities yung tao na yun 'no, kasi kilala mo naman siya 'no, at hindi rin naman siya gano'n kalakas 'no, siguro kumain. So, parang hindi naman din talaga yun yung pinakatinutumbok nito. Ang pinakatinutumbok nito is yung personal space mo because a house has something to do with dapat komportable ka sa loob ng iyong tahanan. 'Di ba? So, yung personal space mo rito parang medyo mababago. Although sabihin natin hindi na siya iba sa inyo, pero yung comfort na parang nasa loob ka ng home na parang 'pag nasa bahay ka puwede kang humiga, nakataas yung paa mo habang kumakain ka 'no. So, parang naisip mo na hindi ko na yun muna puwedeng gawin ngayon, pero hanggang kailan? 'Yan 'no, hindi ka komportable, iniisip mo pa lang hindi ka na kaagad komportable, 'di ba? So hindi hindi problema rito yung bayad sa kuryente, tubig o pagkain, like hindi, eh. It's like this is you, your personal space right here will get affected, 'di ba? Parang ikaw ito na gusto mong mag-yes sa kanyang favor, actually inisip niya na talaga na mag-ye-yes kayo. Mm. Na pagbibigyan niyo yung favor niya kasi you're appearing here as someone with the Queen of Pentacles energy, eh. May energy kasi kayo rito na parang you are too nice for this person. Kilala ka niya kasi bilang mabait ka, kilala ka niya kasi bilang mapagbigay ka, 'no? Kilala ka niya kasi rito um, bilang someone na patutuloyin naman siya, okey? And okey, gano'n ka naman talaga, 'no? But this one's different. Kasi parang dito maapektuhan yung personal space mo na parang kahit siguro sabihin niya sa'yo na, "Okey lang, wag mo akong intindihin na okey lang ako. Basta ang sa'kin lang meron lang akong roof, ganyan, for everyday, okey na sa'kin." 'Yan 'no. Pero ikaw 'to na parang alam mo yung sa sarili mo na parang dapat nagre-relax ka lang lalo 'pag day off mo or rest day mo 'no. Pero ikaw 'to na alam mo na may ibang tao 'no, sa bahay mo or sa bahay niyo. So, parang ikaw 'to na hindi mo pa rin maiiwasan na maging a little worried right here. Paanong worried miss 'yan? Parang kayo 'to na, ano kayang kakainin nitong merienda? Yun o yung mga gano'n. Pero ikaw hindi mo naman iniisip yun nung wala pa siya, 'di ba? Pero ikaw 'to parang aligaga ka, parang nagpa-panic ka lagi. Nasa loob ka ng tahanan mo, pero ikaw 'to na parang ano ka, natataranta ka 'no? Kasi parang iniisip mo komportable ba siya, yung mga gano'n 'no? Tas ikaw 'to na parang nagse-cellphone ka, nanonood ka rito ng movies 'no or may ginagawa ka na iniisip mo, baba kaya ako para may kausap siya. May gano'n, 'di ba? So, parang do'n nawala yung personal space mo. Kasi parang iniisip mo na kung paano siya magiging komportable inside your house, pero ikaw ngayon yung hindi komportable because your personal space right here is being affected, 'no? And you are being known of someone here na parang mabait ka kasi you're too nice, no, okey lang, 'no? Pero yun nga, maapektuhan ka dito in some way, okey? And you want to open up sa kanya yun, pero hindi mo alam kung paano, okey? Nakikita ko rito ang reason kung bakit. Your family is the blockage here. Your relatives ang blockage here. Why is that? Because your relatives will definitely talk back sa'yo. They're like kilala mo yung ugali nila. Ano ba naman yung patirahin lang natin siya, ganyan-ganyan. Ayaw pa ni collective. Yan. Ano bang masama dun? Blah, blah, blah. 'Di ba? So, the problem is not really the money or the gastos. The problem is the personal space. Yan. So, yun yung hindi naisip nitong person na to na baka hindi pala komportable sila na nandudun ako or baka meron silang iba pang bagay na hindi kayang sabihin kasi baka ma-offend ako, no? So, you're trying to be considerate as much as possible right here, but you know that your personal space will really get affected. And I understand you because you are just human being. However, you cannot say no even though you want to say no. Why? Because you will be judged. Kasi may judgment na naglilinger dito sa mga kamag-anak mo, no? Medyo mabilis sa kanila kumalat, no? So, maaaring mga close sila sa isa't isa. Nakikita ko dito with the world card right here. Close relationship sila dito. Alam niyo naman, one shot away na lang tayo dito. Yan, no? So, parang, bakit? Bakit hindi pinayagan? Bakit hindi pumayag? Yan. Iikot na yan dyan sa circle of friends. Pero pag nagkita-kita kayo, hindi rin nila yung kayang sabihin sa'yo. Yan. Hindi ka nila maiintindihan dyan sa personal space na yan dahil meron silang close intact connection. But the thing right here is that you are such a nice person. Queen of Swords energy is someone here na parang iniisip mo rin kasi ano ba yung mararamdaman nitong person na to kahit hindi niya naisip o hindi niya na-realize, no, na oo nga, parang ano kaya yung mafe-feel niya kapag nandun ako. Will it make him or her comfortable or hindi? Yan. So, try to be considerate, no? Kung sino man din ito na parang yun yung advice ko para sa kanya. Kung sino man din ito, no, na biglang nagdidesisyon dito, always consult and kilala ka niya, no? Parang ang hirap kasi na parang tumanggi ka, lalo pag sa mga family members or kamag-anak ninyo. Parang bibihira niya kasing nakikitang tumatanggi ka since you are someone here who is approachable, generous, and someone na tumutulong, no? You're helping and you're kind, no? Pero, this is you, tinatago mo yung Queen of Swords energy mo rito, no? So, parang ikaw 'to, na yung personality mo is somewhat who is strong, but at the same time, nagpapakapositibo ka dito na parang may hatid rin naman na maganda yung pagdating niya, 'no, sa sitwasyon na ito, 'no. Parang iniisip mo na lang na, yung mga positibong side, 'no, na dala-dala niya, 'no, inside your house, 'no. Parang gano'n ka. You're someone here who is very understanding sweetheart, 'no. Pero yun nga, sana may mga tao din na hindi nagde-decide agad-agad, 'di ba? Kasi alam din nila na mag-ye-yes ka or whatever, 'no, pero paano naman yung personal space mo? Tama ka nga naman dun, 'no. Excuse me. So, yun nga yung nakikita ko dito, 'no. So, you're open naman, nakikita ko rito, 'no, for a visit, a day or a two, 'no, if merong may mga dumating na mga kamag-anak or even friends sa iyong house, pinapatuloy mo, 'no. Pero here kasi, it looks like it's something here na hindi rin niya alam kung gaano siya katagal sa bahay mo. Ah. So, nakikita ko dito that this is something here na hindi mo naman pinagdadamot, pero ayaw mo rin naman yung feeling na hindi ka ganun kakomportable inside your own home. Yan. So, it looks like, no, this is something here na hindi ka nagagalit. Hindi yung nakikita ko sa'yo. Pero, this is something here na feeling ko pa nga nahihiya ka pa nga na tumanggi eh. So, baka yung iba sa inyo parang tiisin nyo na lang, no, up until ma-realize niya yun on his or her own. Yan. Hindi mo naman siya rito tinataboy or what, no? Kasi, that person is hindi naman na iba sa inyo. Pero, nakita ko rito na sana, bago nagdesisyon ng ganyan, kinausap ka muna niya personally. Diba? Hindi yung nandiyan na, saka naman parang mamadali ka rito na magdesisyon, 'di ka man lang nakapag-isip, 'di ba? And imagine that type of thing na hindi ka komportable everyday, 'di ba? It's something here na parang yun na nga lang yung meron ka, for yourself lalo na kung pagod ka from work or pagod ka from school or ginagawa mo 'no, 'di ba? The home is a place wherein dapat nararamdaman mo yung comfort, relax ka lang 'no. But knowing that you need to take care here ano, of someone kahit hindi naman niya sinasabing asikasuhin mo siya, siyempre meron kang gano'ng klase ng energy, 'yan 'no. So, nakita ko kasing maalaga ka rito. So, parang kung ikaw ito nandiyan sa inyo 'no, hindi ka naman talaga as in, um, sabihin natin hindi ka naman talaga nagmemeryenda or hindi ka naman talaga as in kumakain ng madami, pero ngayon magluluto ka 'no. And it's like something here na parang sabihin na natin na napipilitan kang gawin, okey? Kasi may iba kang nakakasama or may iba kang makakasama dito, yun yung lumalabas, okey? So, I think this is you, you're trying to hold here, okey, yung parang energy na you're wanting to be nice and accept that desisyon na ginawa niya, kahit nauna na siyang gumawa ng desisyon. And also, you're trying to balance 'no, yung emotions mo rito, 'yan. So, yeah, I know 'no, this is something here that will caught you off guard because you will be at a crossroads right here. But this is something here that you need to think fast because it's already about to happen 'no. Yung iba maaaring mamaya na 'yan, iba bukas na, iba naman posibleng kahapon 'yan nangyari, iba naman 'no, basta magugulat na lang kayo, 'yan. So yeah, eh, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Kaya mo 'yan 'no. So, sometimes maganda rin na sinasabi natin yung ating opinion about something 'no. Pero yun nga 'no, nakikita ko medyo may pagka-judgemental yung mga nakapaligid sa inyo, hindi ko na baka mga relatives niyo 'yan 'no. Yung kahit na yung pinapaintindi mo is yung side mo naman, iba pa rin yung magiging dating sa kanila. Ha? Pero you should also accept the reality that not everybody thinks like you. Okay? So yeah, muli ako po si Yan, Sarang Heyo Love and Light. Fighting! Annyeong!